In our next example on financial data, we will automatically download current stock prices from the internet and then calculate so-called moving averages as key figures because we want to thoroughly test various trading strategies. Right here, we have the major tech giants NVIDIA, Apple, and Google. And on this other side of the chart, we have all the relevant data spanning from the year 2022, all the way through to 2025. We bring everything together with this cross-joiner, just as we did earlier in the weather example, and we build a path that we use. We then call this at the API of finance.yahoo.com, which, however, is not official, but this method still works. Then here we see the symbol for NVIDIA with the respective date and the price. We add the simple moving average over 50 days and another over 200 days, which we then find in these two columns at the end here. You can also adjust these time windows. You can set it to 100 days, 300, or whatever you like. Then we create a loop and specifically select the prices for Apple, which we then visualize and analyze with a line chart. And as you can see, the green line is the 50-day moving average, which crosses the 200-day average from below. And this is what's known as a golden cross in the stock market, a signal that you can buy. On the other hand, if the green line crosses the yellow line from above, that's called a death cross, and that's when you should sell. See? With this strategy, you could have made money as well. But that's no guarantee. Be careful, it doesn't always work. You always have to check it with your own data.